Let's meet Mr. Stephen from Manchester. He was so distressed for certain weeks as the poor condition of his roof was troubling him too much. So, he searched on Google for a reputed roofing company near him, and found Smith Roofing and Remodeling. Quickly, he visited www.smithroofingremodeling.com, and learned about their services. After getting satisfied with the positive feedback, he hired a service from them. Their fully equipped team came, inspected the condition, and suggested replacing the roof. By using premium roofing materials, they replaced the roof flawlessly. Mr. Stephen was overwhelmed with their top-notch roof replacement services, which were also affordable. So, like him, do you also want to replace your damaged roof? Call 260-799-9999 for a free estimate.